Hey guys, so this is Kurt again, and for today's video, I am going to show you the top 3 LinkedIn tools that you can use for your lead generation. So of course, we cannot make a top 3 LinkedIn tools video without mentioning Sales Navigator. Of course, Sales Navigator is owned by LinkedIn and part of the platform, but you need to pay for it for you to be able to use it. So Navigator has more advanced filters and searches that is not available under a regular LinkedIn account, and having it also gives you some sort of leeway and more freedom in terms of reaching out and searching on LinkedIn. So I'm going to show you how it works. So let's just say that on deck, as an example, would be a great company for your business to reach out to. The next thing that you would want is to find a decision maker or the best decision maker that you can find under their company. So let's just check all their employees, and as you can see here, Sales Navigator pops up. It says that it has 12 additional filters. So let's check that out. And as you can see on the left hand side, that is where you can see all the advanced features that a regular LinkedIn account doesn't have. So, but for now, let's just say that we want to target like everybody who's in the marketing team or marketing department of On Deck. Let's do that, and you can see everybody there. So that is how you use Sales Navigator. It helps you find more decision makers under a company that is listed on LinkedIn. So that is our number one on the list. Our number three on the list, Sales Navigator. And let's just say that now that you got or found who is the right decision maker for you to reach out to, the next thing that you want is to get their contact information, like your email address, their phone number, and our top two on the list would help you with that. It is Apollo.io. So Apollo.io has its own platform, has its own website, is not owned by LinkedIn, but they can help you get their contact information. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how to use it. So let's just say that Cameron, their CEO, would be the best one to reach out to. So let's just go to his LinkedIn profile. And from there, we can use Apollo.io Chrome extension. So they also have a Chrome extension where you can get somebody's contact information on their LinkedIn profile without connecting to them. So it's going to save you a lot of time. So as you can see, we have his work email, which is his primary email, and it is also verified according to Apollo.io. You can copy and paste this, put this on your spreadsheet, or you can also forward this contact information on your CRM. It depends on how you want to do your um, building of a list. The next thing that on our list, the next best tool would be Big Linker. So now that you know who is the contact person that you want to reach out to under a company, now that you know his contact information, the next thing that you want is to actually reach out to him. And with Big Linker, you can do that. So Big Linker is a bit of a combination of Sales Navigator and Apollo.io. You can create campaigns for you to reach out to your target audience and the right decision makers on a company. It has advanced searches. If you click update search and go to the optional fields, you can see the advanced searches that you can do in order for you to reach out to the right decision makers. And you can also get their contact information without using Apollo.io. So if you go to your managed connections, you can see all the contact information that your target audience have on their LinkedIn profiles. You can have their email addresses, their phone numbers, so on and so forth. Apologies for my internet, it's kind of breaking down, but again, yeah, this is the contact information. So yeah, so again, check out all this LinkedIn tools that you can use, and get more boost in your lead generation process on LinkedIn. So again, check out Sales Navigator, check out Apollo, and check out Big Linker. Definitely check out Big Linker. So all of this will help you out. And if you see value in our videos, if you like our videos, if you see it as something is informative and can help your business, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. And I hope to see you on the next video. Have a great day and stay safe. Bye bye.